Now, the issue of Sri Lankan Tamils has always been a very, very sensitive issue in Tamil Nadu, particularly where I am in southern parts of Rameshwaram, Dhanushkodi and the likes. And now the fact that India chose to abstain from voting in the United Nations on the issue of war crimes against Sri Lankan Tamils in the country has got several politicians here up in arms. The latest to join that list is Makkal Needhi Mayyam chief Kamal Haasan, who's lashed out at the central government over the fact that they chose to abstain from this vote. A series of politicians have also come out to, in fact, condemn the government's move. Kamal Haasan has said that it's a huge betrayal by the centre of Tamilians. You also had MDMK chief Vaiko, who's vociferously spoken on this issue time and again, condemning the centre's move, saying what happened in Sri Lanka was not just civil war, but it was a genocide. Former Finance Minister, Congress leader P. Chidambaram also trained guns at the Modi government, saying people of Tamil Nadu will punish the AIADMK-BJP alliance for this grievous blow to the interest of the Tamils. To really re-jog your memory, India had walked a very, very diplomatic tightrope on Sri Lanka, choosing to abstain from the UN vote, even as countries like China, Russia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, all of them had chosen to vote in favour of Colombo. Let me take this across now to Akshaya Nath, who's joining us live from Chennai with more details on this. Akshaya, clearly a lot of controversy over the fact that India chose to abstain on voting on this issue. It's clear that the centre had to take a very tough decision, but it's always been something that's been very, very sensitive in Tamil Nadu, and this has essentially given fodder to some parties.
Well, Akshita, ahead of the 2021 State Assembly polls, we're seeing that most of the political parties in the state have taken this issue as a major one. We're seeing that both the MDMK, DMK and most of the other Dravidian parties have always spoken about the needs of the Sri Lankan Tamils, especially the refugee Tamils who are in the state of Tamil Nadu. And now the centre abstaining from voting against Sri Lanka has been seen as a very grave injustice done to the Sri Lankan Tamils. In fact, that is what Kamal Haasan, P. Chidambaram and Vaiko, all of them have voiced about. They've said that this is a betrayal of Tamil and Tamil language and the Tamilians. In fact, Vaiko has gone on to say that it was genocide that happened there during the civil war and not really just war crimes. And in fact, this kind of a situation is what the BJP should have been ready about. Because ahead of the 2021 polls, it is a sensitive topic, and especially the sentiments towards the Sri Lankan Tamils is that of a brotherhood for the people here. So is this a bad move that the centre has done? It's something that we have to wait and watch, Akshita. But certainly most of the political parties have started criticizing the BJP stand, the centre stand of walking out. And in fact, former Finance Minister and the Congress leader P. Chidambaram has even demanded that External Affairs Minister
So a lot of comments clearly coming in, criticizing the centre, criticizing the BJP. Will this turn out to translate to a setback to the BJP AIADMK remains a question. Akshaya, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.